Welcome to our video guide on managing your support system. To enable quick and active support for your customers, install the support system module via the app shop in your website's admin area. After installation, head to the Modules and Extensions tabs to manage the module settings. Locate the support system module using the quick search and click the edit button to configure settings like disabling the module, specifying text length in previews, enabling video iframe on preview, and opening topic in a new window if desired. With the module configured, let's dive into working with FAQ topics. Navigate to the Products Catalog and Support System tabs. To create a new topic, simply click the New Topic button. Here, you can select products and sales channels, create SEO page names, titles, and texts. You can even assign videos to FAQ topics and create meta page titles and descriptions for better search engine optimization. With your support system configured and FAQ topics created, you're ready to provide efficient support to your customers.